Wanlend. And we got the Wand token. We're taking the full tour here, guys. We're going across Wanchain, Moon River, XDAI. We're doing it all. We're doing it all. Alright. So Wanlend. Show you Wanlend. Go to the market. So there's $13.5 million value locked in Wanlend and $5,050,000 borrowed. So look here, if we go to app, APY with Wand, supply Wand, get almost 10%, it's 3% on Bitcoin, it's 3% on wanETH, almost 11% on USDT, 7% on WANUSDC, almost 36% on WASP. Lend your WASP, get 36%, 3% on wanECR, almost 8.47% on Zoo, almost 48% on Phoenix token, 10% lend your Wand, earn Wand, lend it, borrow it, and earn more Wand. Seems like a money printing trick. Wan Litecoin, bridge your Litecoin and lend it. Wan Doge, bridge your Doge and lend your Doge. Lend your Doge. Lend your Doge to the Doge sitter at Wanlend. Wan Dot,